Hello, Questers. Today we are going to give you a tour of our one-bedroom AquaTheater Suite on board Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas. We were in room 734 on deck 14. I'm a door decorator and I love decorating our cabin doors. I think it's a good way to distinguish your cabin from others, and plus it's just fun. When you first walk in, you have a big foyer area with a small cabinet immediately to your left. There is also an LED mirror with a very small shelf. Right before you enter the bedroom, you will see the thermostat and light switch. From the thermostat panel, you can control the lights as well as the blinds. Entering the bedroom, you'll first notice the nice big Royal King size bed. This is actually two twin beds pushed together. You can choose to have them separated if you wish. Just let your cabin attendant know and they will get that done for you. There are nightstands on either side of the bed equipped with USB, USB-C, and two US plugs. You have a vanity that has two USB and USB-C ports, two US outlets, and one European outlet, along with plenty of storage. So you'll have plenty of charging stations to plug in those phones, watch chargers, what have you. Here's a closer look, and you can see there are plenty of drawers for your belongings. The room also has two big closets. This one on the left of the TV has shelves along with a safe for the room. The other over to the right of the TV is just your traditional closet where you can hang up your clothes, and it also comes with hangers. You have a big TV on the wall, and immediately under it, you have a shelf and then some more additional storage. Next, we move on to the bathroom. The only bathroom in this suite is in the bedroom, unfortunately. So if you have guests, then you just have to make sure your bedroom is tidy first. This bathroom has plenty of storage, but the main attraction to me was that it had a full-size tub for baths. Just outside of the bedroom is the foyer area. This area is a big open space that has two big closets, as well as a mini fridge and a bar area with an ice bucket, a complimentary bottle of water, and glasses. But the main area of the suite is this gigantic living space. It has a living area, a dining area, and also a working area all in one. The sofa does pull out into a bed, so if you have kids, they can sleep there. You have another wall-mounted TV that does swivel, so you can watch it from the sofa. Over in the working area, the desk has a Lavazza coffee maker, a phone, 4 US plugs, 1 European plug, and additional storage. This is classified as a Sky Suite. So some of the benefits that come with having a Sky Class suite are free Voom internet for one device for everyone in the suite, priority embarkation and debarkation, access to the coastal kitchen and suite lounge, a dedicated concierge person or people. We actually had 2 people, Jan and Diego, and they were fantastic, as well as access to the suite sun deck. The biggest draw for this suite, in my opinion, is the balcony. I'm starting here from the bedroom. Now you can get to the balcony either from the bedroom or from the living room. This balcony is huge and wraps around the entire suite. Again, this is the AquaTheater Suite. So during the AquaTheater show, you can sit out here on the balcony and enjoy the show. There are 3 seating areas on this balcony. The main seating area with a 4-person table. This area is perfect for enjoying your meals or playing cards or maybe even a game. A 2-person counter height table, perfect for enjoying the AquaTheater show at night or just people watching during the day. And then if you want a little more quiet, you can have the corner that's closest to the bedroom with the plush chairs and lounge chair where you can lay out and relax. I especially like this area in the morning to have my coffee and watch the ocean. Would you stay in one of the AquaTheater suites? Let us know in the comments and follow Quest Accepted for more cruise and travel content.